function present in the Honorable President, chief guest, super, all teachers, guardian and all students. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
I am very proudful to tell this function. Last 10 years we read this institution, but we are late to future life. A proverb that time and tide wait for none. One day every student will leave this institution. Just them for future life. So we participate Dakil exam 2024. We want all to success. Where there is a will, there is a way. Last 10 years we did many mistakes, known and unknown. So we want to excuse all are excusers. All our younger brother and sister, we behaved good and bad, known and unknown. Please excuse us. No more today. Assalamu alaikum.